At one point during Trengove's argument, Judge Harams commented to him that his cross-examination had troubled the court, given that it used inappropriate and offensive language and seemed to infuse Coetzee's attack on Carmichael with a sexual element. As the court adjourned for lunch, the judge provided counsel with the page reference to the cross-examination that had so offended the court. Distressed at this, and unsure what the learned judge could have been referring to, Trengove reviewed the record of his cross-examination. There, a question had been put to a witness dealing with what Coetzee had said to Carmichael while he held her leg as she lay on the floor. According to the transcript of the testimony, he had said, "Het oor en oor vir haar gesê dat sy moet hom naai." This was a most unfortunate typographical error. It should have read, "Het oor en oor vir haar gesê dat sy moet omdraai." After the lunch adjournment, a relieved counsel could advise the court of this mistake. In the end, Judge Harams, notwithstanding the public criticism, wrote an important judgment on behalf of the court, confirming that Carmichael was owed a duty by the state, that such duty had not been met, and that the state's appeal should be dismissed, with costs of 2 counsel. Round 5 to Alex. But how many more rounds? Having taken her fight to 5 courts over 13 years, Carmichael had still not recovered any compensation for her injuries. She returned to court in April 2008, armed with revised and updated expert evidence detailing the basis for her compensation claim. This process of evaluation by her own and the state's experts, including a psychologist, psychiatrist, industrial psychologist, orthopedic surgeon, and physiotherapist, meant that she was forced to relive the traumatic attack and its impact on her life. She told an interviewer in October 2007 that she had been dissected like a rat to determine how much the state has to pay. I had to reveal my deepest, darkest secrets, my most private thoughts and feelings. Now everything I think or feel is in a report and will be in the public domain. This humiliating and invasive experience of the legal system is not uncommon for survivors seeking justice and compensation. In September 2008, Judge Roger Cleaver awarded 673,772 rand in damages to Carmichael. This was supposed to cover past medical expenses, past loss of income, her loss of earning capacity, future medical expenses, and general damages.